In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile on QuickBooks Online. If you're managing finances for a small business, you'll likely find that reconciling your accounts is an essential task. It's the process of matching transaction data in your accounting software with your bank statements to ensure that everything is in balance. It might sound a bit daunting, but with QuickBooks Online, you'll see that reconciling can actually be quite straightforward. Let's dive into these steps to help you get this task accomplished in just about 5 minutes. First, you need to navigate to QuickBooks Online. Now, if you're not already familiar with where to start, just open up your web browser and type in QuickBooks Online to get started. Once you're on the QuickBooks landing page, you'll notice a sign in button nestled at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click that because you'll need to log in to access your accounts. After clicking the sign in button, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Simply type in your email and password that you've registered with. Ensure that your login details are correct to avoid any frustrations that can arise from being locked out. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Sign In button to gain access to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. With successful access to your account, the next step is to find your way to the Settings menu, which often contains a variety of options tailored to customize your QuickBooks experience. However, our goal today is very specific: reconciling your accounts. Within the settings, you'll see an option named Reconcile. Selecting this will head you directly into the reconciliation process. Now that you're in the reconciliation section, you need to choose the account you want to reconcile. QuickBooks will typically list all your accounts, including checking, savings, or credit card accounts. Make sure you select the correct account for the statement period you're aiming to reconcile. Accuracy is key here, as working on the wrong account could lead to discrepancies later. Once you have selected the appropriate account, you'll be required to input the statement ending balance from your bank or credit card statement. You should have this document ready as you proceed. Enter this ending balance accurately to ensure that what QuickBooks shows lines up with your actual financial activities. Next, set the statement ending date. Like the balance, this will be found on your bank statement and usually marks the cutoff date for transactions that you'll be reconciling against. Double check this date to avoid overlapping periods or missing transactions from your bank statement. After you've entered these details, you'll begin the heart of the process, which involves matching and clearing transactions. As an intuitive part of QuickBooks, the platform will present your transactions, and it will be up to you to ensure they match up with those on your bank statement. Essentially, you'll go through each transaction, verifying its legitimacy and accuracy. Continue the process of matching and clearing transactions. Your aim is to bring the difference field to 0. This metric is a quick way to track how balanced your entered transactions are against those from your account statement. A 0 difference means you've matched every transaction accurately for the period you are reconciling. Finally, once all transactions are matched and your difference reaches 0, it's time to click on the Start Reconciling button. This will lock in the reconciliation, helping you move forward with confidence that your books are accurate and up to date. Essentially, you're confirming that everything checks out and no discrepancies remain. And there you have it. Reconciling in QuickBooks Online is a straightforward process when broken down into these manageable steps, allowing you to keep your financial records precise and dependable. With practice, you'll find this task becomes second nature, ensuring that your financial standing is always clear and accounted for. Thanks for joining today's walkthrough, and I hope you find the process quicker and more intuitive every time you perform it.